The Marsflex Front Blower Motor 700191 is a direct fit replacement for many early 2000 Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac full-size trucks and sport utility vehicles, so installation is straightforward for most home mechanics. Its motor is designed to deliver consistent airflow at every fan speed, which helps restore strong heating and air conditioning performance to older cabins. The unit is engineered for long service life, with internal components aimed at running for tens of thousands of hours without noticeable drop in performance. Compared with many tired factory blowers, this upgraded design moves a generous volume of air, so the interior clears fog and heat much more quickly. The fan and housing are built to resist dust buildup and contamination, which keeps the motor running smoothly and reduces annoying noises over time. Overall, the Marsflex Front Blower Motor 700191 offers a solid blend of compatibility, durability, and quiet operation that makes it a smart choice for refreshing an aging climate control system.